In this video, we will learn about form input groups and badges, how to use both of this, and we'll see by implementing this in our web pages. So currently we have developed this web page, and now I would try to add and show you what is. First of all, let's see what is form input groups. So groups basically is nothing but a label and a text field and write label, or we can also attach a button or a drop down. So this is nothing but a button. So we can have a click event with it, and here can be a comment or whatever it is. So it is very easy in Bootstrap 4 to implement this. For example, if it is for adding a comment, so I can just type my comment here and I can just click a button and it can go. So we can use this inbuilt component to design our form like this. So we can use it for the search bar or anywhere else in the website where the design is needed like this. So let's see how to implement this. This implementation always remains the same. You just need to take the code and understand the code, so we can customize it to any level. Now I would just try to use this one group. Okay, group append, and because this is coming with a button, and here I can have any things like that. Okay, so here I have just pasted. This was my last video's content, so I'm just pasting it below it. Let me see how it is looking. I think it will take entire space like this. Okay, so I can make it like this, comment, and or let's keep it like this only. I think so you might have understood the intention of it. So I'm not going in the designing aspects right now. So this is the way to add this, and there are a lot of more things. We can also add an information like this. Okay, I will show you in a minute. Or uploading a file. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so here I would just copy the upload resume option and I would just paste it here. I will just do it file, because if you see there is no much difference here. Just I have my file with this and ID. Okay, I will just do some customization and I would remove the other things. Now instead of small, I can just write only PDF, so it will make some sense. Only PDF is coming with this. So this is the way we can add informations, right? So we can use this .pdf, anything like this, so it is more understood, or more formats like doc or okay. So it is acting like an information with this input field. So we can use the components and customize it as per our requirement. Also there is a checkbox element here which we can use, radio element. Also there is a drop down element where we have multiple of options here with this input field. So it again depends on the design aspect, what you want to develop. And here there are two things, a button as well as the segment like drop down. So this is called a segmented button. where the buttons, one segment is drop down and other one is clickable. So if this is your requirement, then you just need to copy this code and customize it as per your requirements. I will just paste it after the form and see how it's looking on my web page. Yes, so there is no more no errors whatsoever with this, and I can use it as it is on my web page. So I hope this video was helpful. Now let's go with the badges. What are badges like this? So these are the types of badge which we can use: badge primary, badge secondary, and all the classes will come for the colors, and we can use all of this here. Badge secondary, this is badge primary, and badge below. So let me use this badge for you, and I will just paste the badge below, and here I will write to notification. So basically this is making much more sense. So there is a notification, it may be a link or it may be a button or anything as per your logic. It will give you the information that there are two notifications. You just click it and you just know it. Let me have secondary, no, let me have a success, bad success. Just I'll remove this. I will add batch success and a batch class. Okay, so this is looking like this. So this is the way we can add the badges and form input groups together, and this way we can use it in our web pages. If you have any doubts, just don't feel hesitated, just comment below. I would try to resolve your queries as soon as possible. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you subscribe and do share this video if you find it helpful. Thanks a lot. Bye.